Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change default font on Microsoft Outlook. So if you are using Outlook and you want to change default font, so what you have to do, first of all, here you will see you have to log in your account. So when you log in your account, here you will see at the top right side corner setting option. Just click on this setting option, and when you click on setting options, here you will see four options: general, email, calendar and people. So now you have to go into the email. Okay, and here you will see compose and reply option. Just click on it. So when you click on compose and reply, you have to scroll down, and here you will see message format. Okay, so now here you can change the font, and here you will see how it look like. So, okay, this is the example how it look like. Okay, so like this, if I change to it, you will see like this. Okay, you can change all other setting also, and after that, so with like this you can change the size of the text also from here. Okay, so like this you can change all these things, and after that you can underline. If you want to underline, you can underline, or you can change the color of the text from here, and then you can just click on save. Okay, so like this you can change default font on Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.